I'm Zach with FTx. Today, we're going to look at the various campaign types available in our loyalty module, Loyal and Save. So let's dig in. When creating or managing a campaign in Control Center, there are various options for the campaign. You have open-ended, trigger points, auto trigger, and raffle. So let's take a look at each one, when you would use it, and why you would use it. Here we have open-ended. Open-ended is definitely the most common campaign type. It is earning points and the customer decides when to redeem. Some features of it are you decide the point multiplier, aka how many points per dollar the customer gets. Additionally, you can also have a multiplier on the tender, so that if they pay with cash, they get more points than if they pay with non-cash. The next trigger type is going to be trigger points. This is like a punch card. You can set it so if you buy 9 cups of coffee, you get the 10th free. In this, they earn a coupon. The coupon can be $1 off or a percentage off or even a free item. You also decide what items are eligible to be redeemed on the coupon. Moving on, we have auto trigger. So auto trigger is based on an event such as a birth date, anniversary, a sign up, a we miss you campaign, things of that nature. We've also recently added the event of EAIV sign up. So you can reward your customers for going through the EAIV, the identity verification process. When setting these up under the reward type, you would define the event that triggers it. Additionally, these are also coupons and the customer can decide when to redeem the coupon and you decide what products must be on the sale for the coupon to be redeemed. And finally, we have our raffle. A raffle is just like a punch card. You know, they buy 9 items and get a coupon. Instead of a coupon, they get an entry to the raffle. This allows you to draw a winner at the end of the campaign, just like a traditional raffle. You're going to decide the number of winners or even the number of winners per store. We usually partner with a manufacturer and they'll do things like bring a Yeti cooler in. And so our customers, when they buy certain products, they're going to get entry into the raffle and at the end, they get the Yeti cooler. The manufacturer gets to sell the product they want and we get a happier customer. So those are the trigger types available in Loyal and Save. Until next time, take care.